Hey, Dakota, get a drink. Get a drink, Dakota. Get a drink so I can see. Good boy. Now, isn't that cool? Look, water comes out as he licks it. Just leave a little water on the ground. All done? So, this is the spigot. You gonna get a drink, Rusty? Alright. Pretty cool. You too, Dakota? Get down. Good boy, Dakota. And all they have to do is move it and the water trickles out. This is the only part that goes with it. This part here is a splitter I got, so if I need to connect the hose I can without unhooking this. And it took them about 20 minutes after I picked up the water and showed them water came out of it for them to figure out how to use it. It's because my puppies are smart. Super easy. Even the puppy can do it. We did get a pool, but somebody tore a hole in it. That's somebody right there. And that's the hole he's trying to get into the neighbor's yard. Another hole to try to get into the neighbor's yard. And then there's another one right over there trying to get into the neighbor's yard. And hey, Russ. They're trying to get to China. This did have mulch on it. Hi, Rusty. But all back there, I don't know if you can see it, has all been dug down too. And then you can see the blanket that Dakota drug out here to play with. And this was a hole all the way down under the foundation that we filled back in. Luckily, he hasn't tried to dig it up again. Here's favorite stuffed toy. Dakota, do you want it? Do you want the toy? Do you want the toy? Go get it. Is that your toy, Dakota? Get your baby. What are you doing? I'm gonna get the toy. Good boy. Do you want this? Do you want this? Do you want it? Do you want it? Alright, let's go get it. Gonna bring it back? No, it's too hot to bring it back. But you're gonna keep it over there and keep it all to yourself. No digging. But Mom. Coda, what are you doing? No. Now housing put concrete all along the back fence line so they can't dig underneath it. I wish they'd done that on the side yards. What you doing, Rusty? Rusty? What you doing? What you doing? Rusty? Hi, puppy. You sit. Rusty, sit. That is not a sit. There's nothing. Oh, I don't have treats, so he couldn't care less. We had grass. And then we got these two monsters. Dakota! Dakota, speak! Dakota, speak! No? Yeah, piss on you. You guys want to go inside? Come on.